ICICI Bank's numbers are just coming in, and then the profit is looking sharply lower than what the estimates were, about 11,318 crore net profit for the bank versus an estimate of 12,300 crore. So, you know, 1,000 crore gap on the net profit number does not look that great. Obviously, we will look into what more is to be added on that front, whether the NII numbers are showing anything materially different. But yes, the net profit number falling about 1,000 crore lower than the estimate is a bit of a concern. You know, ICICI Bank has historically been growing much faster, showing much better financial numbers than HDFC Bank, its closest peer. So this quarter, it looks like a bit of a negative surprise on the ICICI Bank front. That's something that we'll watch out for closely, and we'll discuss that a little bit more as more numbers come out.
Well, absolutely, and we do have a guest lined up. We're going to be going to that also shortly because, you know, Vishy, this is very important to look at when it comes to ICICI Bank as well in terms of the numbers. I wonder if we also have the guest ready because, you know, of course, you do have the profit that is seen a downtick of about 4%, Vishy, when you're looking at this one. That is ICICI Bank, and we do have the guest, in fact, connected with us at this point in time. We do have Dhyanada Vaidya, research analyst, BFSI, also joining us on the show. Thank you so much for taking time out. The first question, of course, is what you make in terms of the first cut, your first take coming in as far as numbers are concerned.
Hi, good afternoon. So roughly, we expect that there's a slight miss on our estimates in terms of ICICI, where I have to see the growth number for the advances. Yes. On the NII front, it looks like a miss, and margins are likely to have slipped slightly during this quarter, is what I make out from the NII numbers. Also, there's a degrowth in the non-interest part, so there's probably some kind of hit on the treasury income part, which has possibly led to lower non-interest income. And there's a slight bump up in the provision, so we would like to hear from the management when it comes to why has there been a slight increase in credit costs for the bank, which has been fairly steady in the range of 40 to 50 basis points for the past several quarters. Yeah.